Siyempre, masaya kami. Yun na yun. Masaya na makita na from the humble number of 26 actors who first met in 2020, we are now at 300 members and growing. So, yung makita na yung vision natin ng isang united na samahan, hindi lang naman organisasyon community talaga ang aming habol dito. So, to see that community growing is, ano rin, hindi ka higit siya sa isang prize. Yun talaga ang vision at ang mission namin. So, to see it come to fruition today is makes our heart explode, di ba? Yun.
Well, ang vision naman naming lahat, sabi nga ni Iza, yung first 26 members, is really to create and to cultivate that community of dignified, empowered, proud, professional performers. So yung mga aktor, yung grupo ng mga aktor. And here we are, kahit sabihin man natin 5 years na magmula nung tinatag ito 2020, ang pakiramdam ay parang nagsisimula pa lang kami. Dahil mamaya mau-witness ninyo yung mga programs na ilo-launch namin, yung mga partnerships na aming itataguyod. These are the things na kakailanganin talaga ng mga members namin.
Yeah, it's very rare that you get together with actors kasi usually nakikita kami sa set, 'di ba? Or sa ball or sa party, pero ito, this is a very important day for us to talk about our well-being.
Our mission is to nurture our character, craft, and community. And through this, our vision is to create meaningful change. Not only in ourselves and in our industry, but also in our countries. And that is through the stories that we tell.
The partnerships are growing also, like the number of partnerships. So, mas nakaka-excite siya kasi nakakadagdag siya ng value sa ating organisasyon at nabibigyan din namin ng value ang ating mga members. Katulad na lang ng free HMO, mental health support, napakarami po, bookkeeper memberships. Ako talaga nagsabi na. May legal, and of course, may legal help desk. So, we're really trying to empower our members and enrich them also.